Oh yeah, okay. In this video, we're going to be talking about the expansion waves or expansion lines. Okay, and this is basically a typical reversal pattern. Okay, and it's good. As I say, it's going to be a short video, so I've already prepared an area in the market for you. But I'm going to just go ahead and show you on my whiteboard what this will look like. And essentially, what we're looking for is a pattern like this. Hang on, let me just clean that off again and start once more. This will be better to give yourself a guideline. Okay, so what we're looking for is essentially a pattern that starts like goes kind of like this, A B C D E. Okay, so it's E. Okay, so A B C D A B C D. Now, when you see this, when you see this kind of formation appearing on E, it will drop. Okay, same vice versa. If we was kind of looking the other way, it should go back the other way. But the one of the waves should actually be down at the bottom here. E should be down here. And once E gets down here, it will go back the other way. All right, and I've actually got something prepared for that already. All right, now we can draw this trend line from down here to there. And now we can draw this trend line from here down to here. And you can see how it's expanding out. Okay, so this will be E, this will be D, this will be C, this will be B, and this will be A. Alright, boom, 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 boom. Alright, then there was a huge reversal on it. Alright, that's your expansion waves. Alright, just basically just keep on looking out for them, and then from that point it will drop. Okay, so take a look at that. I told you it was going to be a short video. Alright, it's pretty easy to spot those patterns, I would imagine. All you just basically would need to look out for is that when the next wave comes down, okay, you want to sort of, I mean, because this is in a downwards angle, the way that they show you in textbooks will be kind of like this kind of thing. But, you know, you've got different angles and whatnot, but essentially this is your shortest wave, this is the next largest wave, that's the next largest wave, that's the next largest, and then that's the next largest. So basically from where they start and stop, the next line should be basically larger, or the move from this point to this point should be larger than that point to this point. Okay, and then this point to this point should be larger than that one to that one, if you follow me. Okay, and that one to this point should be larger than this one, and so forth and so on. Right, until you get like 3 peaks here and 3 peak trails down the bottom. So you've got 3 upper pivot highs, and then you've got 3 pivot lows. Okay, and then on this one here, you then go short, and obviously vice versa here. This is where you go when you buy. Okay, so play around with that video for a bit and that little strategy, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye for now.